Kasi ang nangyayari, the more that you grow stronger, the more that you become a better person, lumalaki kang puno. And you become really attractive. You become really magnetic. Pero yung may mga maling mindset, may mga maling beliefs, sisiraan ka niyan. Babatuhin yung bunga mo. So of course, kung may mga taong maninira sa'yo, you will lose people eventually. Sino mawawala? Yung mga taong maniniwala doon sa paninira. But here's the catch. Kawalan ba talaga yon? Kasi para sa akin, hindi eh. Para sa akin, awareness yon. Kasi ang thinking ko, sa 23,000 na videos na na-upload namin, na wala kaming sinaraan na kahit ng isang tao, na all I do is help people create value. Gumawa pa ako ng exclusive community, Master University for free. Napaka-affordable ng course at alam na alam nyo yan mga students. Alam na alam ng students natin kung gaano dapat kamahal yung course. But all I wanna do is to help people. I'm spending a lot of money to maintain the podcast episodes. I'm spending a lot of money to create videos for you guys. And all I do is help, and create value and contribute.